2 in Florida and medyo pause ako guys. Ewan ko baka ano, kulang sa tubig.
In half a mile, turn left onto US 27 South.
It's very hot. Hindi na nga pala ako nakapag video pa papuntang yeah, it works perfectly. Hindi na ako nakapag-video pa after nung kumain kami ng Jollibee kasi sobrang pagod na guys. After nung sa Jollibee, we had to drive for an hour para makapunta sa bahay dito kung saan kami nagsistay. And then ayun, mag-room tour sana, mag-house tour sana ako, kaya lang wala na talagang energy. Anong oras na? Mga 11 PM na, sobrang pagod na talaga. And then ayun. So it's now 9:39 na ng umaga. Papunta kami sa bahay ng grandma ni Ken. Grandma namin. And dun kami magbe-breakfast. But bumili si Ken kanina ng hot chocolate sa McDonald's para lang pang pagising. I don't drink coffee that much. Minsan lang. Minsan hot chocolate, minsan wala. So, ayun. And kahapon nga pala, yung nangyari is yung airline namin is Delta. Usually naman, per experience, yung Delta's always on time. Delta's always on time. What?
Right there. At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto US 27 South.
Inside the neighborhood. Okay.
McDonald's is right there.
That's nice.
You just go straight, you come around behind it.
Okay. So, ang nangyari, ayun nga, Delta's always been on time per experience. But then yesterday, yung flight namin from Birmingham, Alabama to Atlanta, it was on time. And then, nagmadali pa nga kami nung pagdating namin sa Atlanta, nagmadali kami kasi yung layover namin as per schedule is only less than 2 hours. So, nagmadali kami kumain ng lunch. We had Asian food and rice. General Tso's chicken and fried rice. I think nakuhanan ko yun ng video. And then, nung pumunta na kami ng pre-departure area, that was around 1:30 ata kasi we were expecting that we'll be boarding around 2:30. So, ang nangyari is, when we were at the pre-departure area, nakatanggap kami ng notification that our flight is delayed for an hour. So, instead of 3:15, magiging 4:30 na siya. So, wala naman kaming magawa. So, naghintay lang kami doon, nakaupo, and then nagpahinga. And then, nung time na for boarding, ayun, very medyo mabagal, but carry lang. Basta, yung sa amin lang talaga is makarating kami dito ng safe. So, ayun, nag-board na kami, nasa loob na ng aeroplano. And then, nung nakaupo na ang lahat, nagbigay ng announcement yung pilot na meron daw silang finifix na something. Hindi pa nila malaman kung ano. So, ayun, naghintay lang din kami. And then, after 15 minutes, nagbigay na nga siya ng update na it has to do with hydraulic something na kailangan daw baklasin. So, ayun. And then, hindi pa niya mabigay talaga yung detail. Basta yun yung context ng message niya. And then, third announcement niya was, sabi niya, is hindi daw nila kayang i-risk. So, safety first. And, ayun, siguro malaki yung repair na kailangan gawin nila. And then, what happened was that we had to deplane and transfer to a different plane. So, kailangan namin mag-board ulit. Lumabas kami ng plane and then maglakad sa ibang not terminal but gate. And then ayun, kailangan namin mag-check, not check-in but board. Yun mga boarding procedures. Ganon. So it took us, I don't know how long, but basta nakaalis kami ng Atlanta 6 o'clock. Yung original flight kinikrave kasi walang Jollibee sa Alabama. And the closest Jollibee from Alabama is this, yung Jollibee dito sa Florida. Kaya, dun kami na hapunan. I ordered, we all ordered spicy chicken, spaghetti, and fries. Sobrang miss ko yung lasang yun. Sobrang saya ko. And Ken also loved it. He loves Jollibee. And ayun guys, yun na yung kwento to. 6 minutes. And today, kasama nga pala namin, although we traveled separately. Nandito yung kapatid ni Ken, yung mga pinsan. Ayun, mga pinsan. So, mimit namin sila mamaya. We'll be going to SeaWorld. And, ayun. So, update you guys later. Inom muna ako ng hot chocolate. See ya! Bye, my love! See ya, guys. Hi guys, it's already 1:19 na ng hapon and we just left Grandma's house. We had a great time catching up and we played card games as well. Hindi na namin namalayan yung oras. Ano na pala, alauna na. Hindi pa kami nagla-lunch but we had a heavy breakfast. So they cooked for us and we really appreciate it. We had a good time and we'll be going back
At
there.
the next light, turn right.
We will be going back there tomorrow for dinner. So right now, since wala pa kaming lunch, siguro kami Popeyes. Hindi pa kami nakapag-try ng Popeyes. Matagal na namin gustong mag-try ng Popeyes. But wala, hindi natutuloy-tuloy, but now ipupush namin. So we'll see, update ko kayo. So we'll go straight to Popeyes or we'll go back to the house?
We can go to Popeyes.
So,
Then we'll go back.
kain muna kami ng lunch bago umuwi. Or baka mag-grocery shopping din kami mamaya. Hindi na kami matutuloy sa SeaWorld kasi yung mga kasama namin, yung mga pinsan, andun na sila guys, 1 hour before, 1 hour ago. So, hindi na kami aabot. Buti na lang, it's good that we haven't bought tickets yet. Buti na lang, hindi pa kami nakabili ng tickets. Hindi kasi namin inakala na ganun kami katagal dun sa kay Grandma. But, nag-enjoy din siya. So, wala, nagstay lang kami doon and then, spend time with her and uncle. Ayun. So, I'll update you guys in a bit. How are you, my love? Guys, tignan nyo yung kamay ko nakahawak sa ang tawag dito? Selfie stick kasi walang tingnan nyo, yung phone, wala siyang ang tawag yan? There's no basta?
She insists.
Basta? Oh. So, para madali kayo na mag-drive at tingnan niyo yung phone, yung map. So, nilagay ko sa selfie stick para makita niya agad yung yung map sa harapan niya. So, ayun. Para-paraan. Update ko kayo kung saan kami magla-lunch. But for sure, I think, sure na talaga na sa Popeyes kami. Update ko na lang kayo kung ano yung in-order namin. See ya! Dito na kami sa Popeyes. First time namin dito, guys. So, dapat hindi kami ma-disappoint. Hopefully. So, I'm having nasa ilalim 3-piece na chicken tenders, Cajun fries. Oh! Tapos may biscuit pala kasama. Very loaded na siya. And then, Ken's having chicken finger chicken finger, chicken sandwich. Yeah, chicken sandwich and Cajun fries. Yay, let's eat.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move.
So, dito kami sa Walmart, bumili lang ng mga supplies. Ayun, so, merong mga paper plates. Bumili din kami ng spoon and fork. Disposable lahat. Napkins, toilet papers, Kleenexes. And then, bumili rin kami ng coffee. Yung mga good for good for the stay lang namin dito. And then food for breakfast, waffles, and then syrup. Bumili din kami ng phone mount, guys, para dun sa nirerentahan naming sasakyan. Mahirap kasi mag-navigate kapag walang mount. Tas for the meantime, yung tripod, selfie stick yung gamit namin. Medyo siya, medyo challenging. So bumili kami nitong cheap lang siya na car mount. But who knows, baka gamitin din namin to pag uwi. So ayan lang. Then bayaran muna namin and then uwi na kami.